What's up, sneaker family? It's Footprints, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix frayed shoelaces and make some of your own. Now let's get all our tools and supplies. First, you're going to need some clothesline, some needle nose pliers, a mini torch, a pair of scissors, some transfer paper, a heat gun, and some Gorilla Glue. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is grab a heat gun and your clothesline, and you're going to heat it up. You're going to heat up the clothesline for about 6 to 8 seconds while rotating and tugging at the same time. What you're trying to do is melt the clothesline and pull on it to make it thinner. Okay, so after it's heated and it's kind of thin, allow it to cool for about 8 to 10 seconds and mold it and set it into place. Next up, you're going to grab yourself some transfer paper and you're going to cut it out to about 1 inch by 1 inch. My fingertip is about 1 inch, so I use my fingertip to measure out my piece. Next, you're going to apply some Gorilla Glue to the shoelace tip and spread it around evenly. Then you're going to lay your shoelace tip down on the piece of transfer paper that you just cut out. It should start to stick to the Gorilla Glue. Just allow it to dry for about a minute, then pick it up and roll tightly. After, you're going to heat up the tip with the transfer paper so that the transfer paper shrinks onto the shoelace tip. So you're going to heat it up for about 6 to 8 seconds while rotating the same way and allow it to cool and mold it into shape. If you like here, you can use a mini torch to melt the tip of the shoelace to create a harder tip, or you can just apply Gorilla Glue. You're going to do this to both laces. If you accidentally heat up one of the tips and burn it a little bit, it's okay. Just grab yourself a razor and cut off the tip. Okay. Test them out. Now you got some shoelaces. Let's lace them up. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned. And thank you again.